In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. Making your website more engaging can often come down to the additional touches you put on it, and adding background music is a fantastic way to enhance the visitor experience. Follow along as I guide you through this straightforward process, ensuring your site stands out with its own unique sound. To begin, open up your Wix editor. Once you're there, you'll see several options on the left side of your screen. You need to find and click on Add Elements. This is your main hub for all the different kinds of features and media you can include on your site. Now, within this menu, go ahead and click on Video and Music. This section is specifically designed to help you integrate multimedia elements into your web pages effortlessly. Next, you'll need to choose a music player. You can see a variety of player styles to pick from. Select one that suits the aesthetic of your site best. Simply drag and drop it anywhere you'd like on your website. This flexibility allows you to decide exactly where the player will be displayed, giving you control over the user experience flow. Once your music player is placed, click on it once to highlight it. This should cause a small menu to pop up, from which you'll need to select Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll have access to all the customization tools for your music player. Now, within the settings, it's time to upload the music you want to play. Choose the file from your computer that captures the mood and tone you wish to convey to your visitors. After your music is successfully uploaded, it's time to configure the autoplay settings. Within the same Settings menu, look for the autoplay feature. By enabling this, your music will automatically play whenever someone visits your site. This feature helps create an instant atmosphere without requiring any action from your visitors. However, keep in mind that autoplay isn't supported on mobile devices and certain browsers due to their respective policies. It's a good idea to consider whether your audience is predominantly mobile and how this might affect their browsing experience. And there you have it. With these steps, your website is ready to capture and engage your audience with its new background music. This dynamic addition will surely mesmerize your visitors, keeping them engaged and urging them to explore more of what your site has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial provided the guidance you needed. Enjoy the creative process of adding music to your Wix website.